Smart Finance Moves. Insight from a CS&IP. Episode 2. How to Select the Best Mutual Fund. Introduction. Welcome back to Mastering Mutual Funds. In this episode, we'll explore how to select the best mutual fund that aligns with your financial goals. Choosing the right fund is crucial for successful investing, and we'll break it down into simple steps. By the end of this episode, you'll be equipped with practical tools to evaluate and select mutual funds that suit your financial goals and risk. This understanding is vital in helping you build a successful investment portfolio tailored to your needs. Factors to consider when selecting a mutual fund. Performance history. Look at the fund's past performance, which is often shown as a percentage gain over different time periods, 1 year, 5 years, etc. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, it helps you understand how the fund has reacted during market ups and downs. Fund manager's track record. Research the experience of the fund manager. A skilled manager with a proven history of achieving good returns can significantly impact the fund's performance. Consider how long they've been managing the fund and their past successes. Expense ratio. This is the annual fee charged by the fund, expressed as a percentage of your investment. A high expense ratio can eat into your returns over time. Look for funds with lower expenses to maximize your gains. Investment objectives. Make sure the fund aligns with your financial goals. For example, if you're looking for growth, consider equity funds. If you need steady income, debt funds might be better. Understanding your own goals will help you choose wisely. Risk tolerance. Assess how much risk you're willing to take. Some funds are riskier than others, often related to their investment in stocks versus bonds. If you prefer stability, look for funds that have a mix of equity and debt or those that focus primarily on safer debt instruments. Thank you for joining us in Episode 2 of Mastering Mutual Funds, How to Select the Best Mutual Fund. Today, we covered essential factors to consider when choosing a mutual fund, including performance history, the fund manager's track record, expense ratio, investment objectives, and risk tolerance. With these insights, you're better prepared to make informed choices that align with your financial goals and risk profile. If you found this video helpful and want to continue enhancing your investment knowledge, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.